Very nice. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Wow, is that two 10s or 12s?
12.
Really? Okay.
Yeah, about 2,000 watts. Wow.
Is that what kind of amp is it?
It's a 10 amps, Smart 3, and then a sound cube on the doors.
Okay.
I got it wired to half of them, clamping about 2,100 watts.
Okay. That's good. Who built the box?
I did.
You did? Okay. What, are those 6-inch ports?
Yeah. I did PVC and heated the hell out of it and folded it over.
Nice. Custom. All right. Have you metered it at all?
Yeah, I got a APM, SSA APM.
Yep.
Meter at 145.
Okay.
At 38 hertz.
38. Awesome. Does everybody can see the back real quick?
What's that?
Can you open the back up real quick? Very nice. Thank you. You have a good day. Thanks for showing me, man. Looks good.
It bursts forth from my fingertips. It's a good night. No long kiss. Strange days. I'm shot, feel strong enough to maintain a real, the real cup. I got a hand out. I mean, no ground to see power. Fate.
Taking it through my chakras. Every now and then I feel worthless. Walking around in the presence of greatness. Why would a ripped him in and it feels worth it. Came in the game with a ball and a chain and the damn thing. my team is up to par. Y'all can hit the bar, I ain't lying. Flowing, these waves don't play fair. I wait. Dreams backstroke through my daymares. Things to get back to you. Life's 10%, what happens to you? Other 90%'s all attitude. I'm strong enough to maintain the will, call you bluff. I'm doing this thing for all of us. If I lose my feet, I'm still falling up. I gotta no ground to stand on, the air to breathe. You scared of me? Conquer my fear and receive power. Care for me, I call the same story. For me, intimidation, interrogate. Some things to get back to you. Life's 10%, what happens to you? Other 90%'s all attitude. I'm shot, feel strong enough to maintain the will. I will call you bluff. I'm doing this thing for all of us. If I lose my feet, I'm still falling up. I gotta me, no ground to stand on, the air to breathe. You scared of me? Conquer my fear and receive power. You care for me, I care the same story. For me, intimidation, interrogate. Strange days. Same color as a fire truck. Now dragging on brown salt. Up in the way, I'm high as fuck. Stealing energy from my enemies, taking it through my chakras. Every now and then I feel worthless, walking around in the presence of greatness. Why would a nigga rip the minute it feels worth it? Came in the game with a ball and a chain and a damn thing. Showing out when I'm in the booth and my team is up to par. Y'all can hit the bar, I ain't lying. These waves don't play fair. I wait. Backstroke through my daymares. Some things to get back to you. Life's 10%, what happens to you? Other 90%'s all attitude. I'm strong enough.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.